The world just changed. It happened on January 20th, 2025. A Chinese AI, Deepseek R1, was unleashed, and within days, the world's most powerful tech giants, OpenAI, Google, Meta, Nvidia, were left shaken. In just a single week, $1 trillion vanished from the US tech market. The most valuable company in the world, Nvidia, lost nearly $600 billion overnight. Why? Because a mysterious Chinese entrepreneur and his team of young prodigies built something that was faster, smarter, and more efficient than anything America had ever seen. And here's the kicker. They did it for a fraction of the cost. This is the story of Deepseek, the AI that changed everything. Deepseek wasn't born in a trillion-dollar corporate lab. It was created by a man almost no one has seen, Liang Wenfeng, a 40-year-old Chinese entrepreneur who avoids the public eye, keeps his identity hidden, and lets his work speak for itself. In 2015, he built a hedge fund, High Flyer, that used AI-powered trading. By 2019, he was obsessed with artificial intelligence. He didn't just want to compete, he wanted to win. So in 2023, using the profits from his hedge fund, he began a secret side project, creating the world's most powerful AI. Not for money, not for power, but simply because he could. Unlike OpenAI, which employs over 3,500 people, Wenfeng took a radically different approach. He didn't hire traditional engineers. Instead, he recruited PhD students from China's top universities. Young, brilliant minds with a hunger to prove themselves. And with just 200 people and $5.6 million, they did what OpenAI, Google, and Meta couldn't. Deepseek R1 was born. When Deepseek launched, the world took notice. It wasn't just better than OpenAI's most advanced models. It was smarter, cheaper, and faster. And unlike OpenAI's $200 per month ChatGPT Pro model, Deepseek was completely free. Within days, it became the #1 most downloaded app in the US, India, and Europe, overtaking ChatGPT overnight. Then, the unthinkable happened. On January 27th, Wall Street collapsed. The Nasdaq Tech Index plummeted 3.1%. Nvidia, America's AI chip powerhouse, lost $589 billion in value, the biggest single-day loss in history. Why? Because Deepseek had just proven something terrifying. You don't need billions of dollars to dominate AI. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, once dismissed the idea that a company outside the US could compete. His words, "It's totally hopeless to compete with us." But now, as Deepseek obliterates the competition, it's Sam Altman who's looking hopeless. How Deepseek changes the game. So, what makes Deepseek so powerful? One word: reasoning. Deepseek is an advanced reasoning model, meaning it doesn't just answer questions, it thinks. Unlike older AI models, which give instant answers, Deepseek analyzes, cross-examines, and questions its own logic. It's called the chain of thought process. Imagine asking ChatGPT, is 9.11 greater than 9.9? Older models instantly say yes, which is wrong. But Deepseek pauses. It thinks, it checks its reasoning, and after 18 seconds, it gives the correct answer. It's not just fast, it's precise. And that's what makes it dangerous. The controversy: China's AI censorship. But there's one dark cloud over Deepseek's success: censorship. If you ask Deepseek sensitive political questions about Tiananmen Square, Xi Jinping, Taiwan, or human rights in China, you get the same cryptic response. Sorry, I am not sure how to approach this question. Let's talk about math, coding, and logic instead. Deepseek's intelligence is undeniable, but so is its loyalty to the Chinese government. And that raises a chilling question. What happens when the world's smartest AI is controlled by a nation with absolute censorship? Deepseek has already changed the world. It's faster, smarter, and cheaper than anything America has produced. It's forced OpenAI, Google, and Meta into panic mode. And it's just getting started. This isn't just an AI race anymore. This is a battle for the future of intelligence itself. The US had a monopoly on AI, but China just proved monopoly on AI over. And the question now isn't who will win the AI war,